Here are 10 things that you should be buying from the Dollar Tree in March, and these prices are gonna beat Amazon. Let me show you. In our number 10 spot, let's get this out of the way right away, shall we? Let's talk about the St. Patrick's Day decor. I love the beautiful socks. Cannot get enough of these. Just a way to jazz up your outfit and have a little fun. These sequin bow ties are super cute as well. You could dress up and you can be a very cute, stylish leprechaun, including these glasses, and they also have some necklaces available for you. If you're wanting to do a beautiful St. Patrick's Day inspired tablescape, Dollar Tree has everything that you need this month. And ooh, check out these low cut fuzzy socks. I'm obsessed with all things fuzzy socks, fuzzy blankets. We'll get there in just a second. Thumbs up if you can relate to that one. In our number 9 spot, we have these beautiful spring kitchen accessories, steals and deals. I'm telling you, these towels, pot holders, placemats, everything that you need to make your kitchen look beautiful, inviting, friendly. Welcome, spring, welcome. We have oven mitts, glasses, plates, and bowls. Heck, you could redecorate your entire kitchen and pantry for a very affordable price with these beautiful items. In our number 8 spot, this one really caught my eye. I have never seen these before, let alone at the Dollar Tree. Folding sunglasses and a case to go with it. At the Dollar Tree, mine came with an orange or a black. Take your pick. I don't like to spend a lot of money on sunglasses because you know with 4 kids, those babies are getting scratched up from the purse to the car to the kitchen to the wherever you put those sunglasses. I found a very similar style of these foldable glasses on Amazon, and they were $20. And grab a pair from the Dollar Tree and see what you think. I love the space-saving option. In our number 7 spot, we have the spring lunch inspired accessories. Not only can making your lunch be fun, but it will look gorgeous at the same time. Microwavable, dishwasher, and freezer safe for some of these items. I love these sandwich containers so that all your delicious sandwich goodies stay intact. And the snack container, you could put so many healthy things in there, or a couple of treats. You know me, I love all things sweet. They come in the colors blue, pink, and mint green. And look at all the spring storage. Now, I'm not a huge fan of Dollar Tree storage bins. It just depends what you are using them for because they are not the most durable. However, these ones are super cute if you just need a toss bin. In our number 6 spot, gardening is upon us. We have these spring colored watering cans and gloves. Not only can you get the job done this spring, but you are gonna look cute at the same time. They come in the colors yellow, blue, purple, and pink. And also I found these kneeling pads. Not only is this great for in the garden, but this is great for cleaning a bathtub. We're going to get to that here in just a second. In our number 5 spot, you know I love to get all my wrapping supplies at the Dollar Tree, but I found something a little different and unique this time. It's these gift fillers. They come in a gold and a silver. Look at how beautiful this is. I get sick of tissue paper. It gets all crumpled. You can't really reuse it. And then when it's all crumpled, it just looks worn out and not that exciting of a gift. But with this gift filler, it's like a surprise in a bag popping out. You just want to open the bag to see what else is in store. I am absolutely loving this. In our number 4 spot, because you know I love all things organizing, we have this dish rack. Now, you certainly could put your dishes in there, your plates, but that's expected, right? I recently bought something similar to this on Amazon, but for a higher price point. Let's see if I can trade out my Amazon one for this Dollar Tree one. When it comes to the dish racks on Amazon, they are $10 or more. For just $1.25, you have a steal, my friend. You could also zip tie 2 of these together if you needed a bit more storage. My oh my, might I say that this Dollar Tree version works just as well, and I do think it looks a bit cuter. A couple other places that you can use this dish rack is for organizing your books if you want to do it in a different, unique way. You could also use this Dollar Tree dish rack to organize your clutches and your purses. I have found similar items on Amazon that are $30 and over when it comes to these clutch and purse organizers. Ooh, check out these interlocking drawer organizers. I love these, but I have not seen them in the red, green, and pink. They come in a 3-pack. This is great for storing your toothbrushes, your spoons, any sort of office supplies, if you have batteries, a junk drawer, these things will come in handy. In our number 3 spot, we have this pencil holder. Now, I've seen these at the Dollar Tree before, but this I hadn't seen. They have a black and a white. They also have a pink and a mint green, again, spring inspired. Let me show you how we're going to use this in my home. You can see here I sort of have this junk drawer, and what happens is the pencils start leaving a mark on the top because they scrape the top and you can't get the items out that you need to. So I went ahead and cleared everything out and then cleared up all the marks so that I had a fresh slate to start from. I am loving how this looks. It makes it much easier to grab the pens, the pencils, and the scissors. This is great if you have a small space. I just want to keep opening and closing this cupboard because it looks so great now. In our number 2 spot, you know I love to save you some money, but check out the hand soaps at the Dollar Tree. Periodically, they will have different ones that are cute and stylish, and at a price point of just $1.25, you are going to save yourself a hefty penny. Here's also a little trick. You can buy the little refill containers. They have a variety of options, whether you want a clear or you want something dark, and then you can go ahead and just refill these soap dispensers as needed. I like to keep a few extra of these Dollar Tree hand soaps on hand underneath my bathroom so that I can easily grab them. That way when I'm at Target or some other shopping places, I'm not tempted to grab them because heck, I'd rather pay $1.25. In our number 1 spot, all things spring inspired, warm weather, lemonade, fresh flowers, all the good things, these beautiful mason jar drinks. I almost missed these. These were in the bottom shelf of my Dollar Tree. I love the blue and white. I had not seen this color pattern before, but you also have your traditional black and white. You can make some tasty sweet teas, lemonade, and my favorite, you know, iced coffee. This is great if you're having a friend over, for yourself, you're having a party, just to spice up your drink and have these really adorable glasses. Glasses for just $1.25 at your fingertips. If you are thinking about these, I would definitely stock up because as you could see in my Dollar Tree, the shelves were becoming quite bare. I have 3 bonus items for you that really caught my eye. The first one being this visor mirror for just $5, and I love the blingy detail around it. Let me show you how I'm going to use this. I'm not going to use it in a car because I don't need one. Here in my closet, you can see I have a little jewelry station, but I needed a little mirror to help me put on my earrings a bit easier. It also helps with putting on my necklaces. I didn't want anything big. I just wanted something dainty. So I went ahead and put it here on the dish rack where I'm also keeping my clutch. It doesn't look tacky. It looks beautiful. It looks organized, and you know that I love that. I found something similar on Amazon and they were $10 or more. $1.25 cannot be beat for an item such as this. Our number 2 bonus item with Easter approaching us. I didn't want to bore you with all the Dollar Tree Easter stuff because I'm sure you've seen plenty of that, but these plush throws, these are $5, mind you. You could put in an Easter basket so that you could have some non-candy options, something a little bit healthier. This would also go excellent as a gift idea. You could pair this with a candle. I found these plush throws recently at Walmart, but for $5, this is a much better deal. Our number 3 bonus item is this Zep cleaner for just $3. You certainly could buy this Zep cleaner on Amazon. It's going to run you for about $5 a piece. So why not pick up your very own at the Dollar Tree? I recently heard about Zep because I was trying to remove some rust, but I love that they have a variety of cleaning options available. Foaming, shower, tub, and tile cleaner. You can use this in your toilet. Yes, you can use it on porcelain. You can use it on acrylic, fiberglass, laminate, glass shower walls, doors, and corian. What you want to do is spray this on any surface that you want squeaky clean. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead, wipe, and rinse. And I just love using this Dollar Tree scrubber because it works so well, especially in the shower and in the bathtub. If you have not tried this product, I highly recommend it. This is not sponsored. Nothing in this video is sponsored. Now, if you want to see some additional Dollar Tree hidden gems, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.